Okay, guys, so here we go. TikToks that had me wheezing from laughter. What is that? Is that chocolate milk? That's not demonic at all, right? Can you stop zooming in? Stop zooming in on it, please. Can you actually get that kind of quirk?
You know what I'm saying? If I admit they don't, I'm low key. Yeah, I admit they don't, I'm gay as hell.
What is he saying? Don't let it ding. Oh, come on, you fucked up, man.
Purple
What the
or
fuck?
red?
Blue. It's not blue.
Yellow or blue?
Pink.
What?
Orange or green?
This guy's a wizard. What just happened?
So it's hot boy summer in Afghanistan, and the Taliban is having the time of their life.
It's hot boy summer in Afghanistan, and the Taliban is having the time of their life.
Is that actually an app?
Oh no.
I need to get that.
I'm doing a Lego illegal building technique. Someone better stop me.
FBI, open up. What the fuck? Elbow? Hey kids, this is the new elbow toy. What the? No, that's some talent. Why? I've actually done this to my friends. This guy's cheating. He's gonna get slapped in his face or something. Or never mind. Yeah, you better run. You better run. Yeah, cry and run. Oh, I know this guy. This is so cool. Let's go. Oh man, his double bass skills off the chart. Let's go. Ninja. Oh yeah, the dog turned off the Xbox. I didn't even see. Oh my god.
Shopping with mom.
What? Why would?
Found a squid. Don't do that.
Imagine your mom twerking at like Walmart or something.
Look at these bananas. Like, jeez. Oh my god.
Just stop. Just stop.
Jeez, they're so big.
Just stop, man. Please.
We're really living the high life now, aren't we, Jimmy? Why, yes we are, sir. Yes we are. It's so dark.
That's how I feel sometimes. You know, you just have to scream at your milk.
Oh, fuck.
I cannot.
Okay, dropping a monkey. Yeah. There he is. It's totally fine. A little bit flat, but...
No, it's my turn. Hold on. No. Stop. It's my turn.
This cat doesn't give a fuck, man.
Play the bishop there. Hold on. No. What are you doing with your king? Stop. Wait. Stop. Please put the... Oh, shit. Oh, God.
That is one possessed dog.
Oh wow, fresh honey, that looks so tasty. Wait.
No, don't eat the... No!
There's a bug.
No, no! God! Oh no! Okay, I had to like... I was stumped for a while, and then I got it. They're like upside down, sleeping in the bed. Now I got it. That took me a while.
Ludwig, I'm sorry you're mad, but you can't just jump out here.
Now that's a bunny with an attitude.
Ludwig, there's dogs here. And cats.
He's not having it.
You can't just try to escape. It's not safe.
Do it.
Are you done
Do it.
throwing a fit? Are you chill? Do you want us to go back in there? Ludwig, I understand you're angry, but it's because you're that what I don't need to be backtalked, sir. This is rude. It was for your safety that I had to block it off more.
Playing instruments the wrong way.
No. You shouldn't be doing that. The guy's gonna kill you. The shop owner is gonna come and bash that thing over your head.
Guys, I'm doing the jelly cup challenge. We got 4 jelly cups here.
This guy's gonna choke.
Never mind.
Never mind. That's...
Hey, buddy, you left
okay.
your giant poster on the ground. I want to pick that up. Oh, wait a second. Never mind. That's paint. My bad. Our proxy!
Okay, now this is good. Now this is really cool. I've done something similar like this. I've done something similar like that. I had to, like, there was a project where I had to play music to a silent movie. So a silent movie was just playing. People are watching the movie, and me and Maros and a piano player. So, and yeah, oh, we also had a violinist. I forgot, sorry. So the 4 of us were like below the screen, like where they can sort of see us. And we're just playing along with the movie. That was something interesting. I've never done that before. It was so much fun. You just had to align everything that's happening. Of course, you have the scores in front of you, but you still have to align the music with what's happening on the screen. That was something. One of the more fun projects that I've been a part of. It was great. Okay, it's gonna blast out or not.
Here comes the
boy. Hello, boy. Welcome. Here he comes. There he is. Here comes the boy. Welcome. There he goes. Here he comes. There he is. Welcome, boy.
There he is. The boy has
I
arrived.
got you, moonlight, dawnlight, morning light, sunlight, skylight, satellite, comet light, daylight, ray light, candlelight, twilight.
How many light streets are there?
Night light, moonlight, solar light, neon light.
Let's be cute, dog man. Hiya.
I
Oh.
tried to make a Captain America shield for fun.
And you made a pizza plate.
Just to look like fucking Captain Mexico trying to stop Juanos get the infinity tacos.
Juanos!
Yep. Quick.
Is that honey?
Whoa, stop.
Oh god. You're gonna... No, stop.
Well,
Shit.
shit.
Why?
Brenton.
That's what I thought you were gonna do. Fuck.
Shopping complete.
Alex, so beautiful. I guess somebody said otherwise. The damn fucking duck started laughing when I said that, y'all. I guess not.
If you're depressed, here's what you gotta do. You're gonna get some gummy bears, okay? You're gonna take a red one and a yellow one, and then you're gonna bite the head off the red one, okay? Very important, off the red one. So, headless red one, and then you're gonna bite the feet off the red one. And then you're gonna do the reverse to the yellow one. So you're gonna like bite off the head, but then you're gonna save the head, and you're gonna bite off the feet.
This girl's a psychopath.
And save the feet, okay? So now
She's
you
gonna
have, like,
make
the
a
middle,
Franken bear.
and you're gonna put the middle on top of the yellow one, and the head on top of that, the yellow head, and then
Winnie the Pooh.
you have a Winnie the Pooh.
Holy shit!
Congratulations, your depression is cured.
Thank you, thank
Guys,
you.
So we got these new plates at work, and
They don't
they're
break.
supposed to be break and ship resistant. It says it right there. I'm pretty
course.
excited about it. Like
It's not gonna break.
Look how cool this shit
It's
is.
not gonna break.
Alright, this is a quick game of sing or get knocked out. I couldn't even sing like that.
Oh, nice. Okay. I like this game. We should play this on stream.
Got some splash on that.
No, no, don't. This kid looks so excited.
So much teenage angst at this table.
Bruh, I'm gonna be that
I
dad.
thought this was fucking Slender Man.
Oh shit. What is that? No, seriously, what the fuck is that?
I asked my barber to cut my unibrow, and he lined it up instead.
It looks like a loaf of bread. What the fuck?
What happened?
Look at this. Quesadilla without cheese. Quesadilla comes with cheese. Quesa from queso. Quesadilla. What the fuck?
Just give him the tortilla. That's it. How are your walls so weak? What? the- There's no way they make houses like that.
Jerry's trying to sleep. Okay. Jerry's trying to sleep. Jerry's trying to sleep.
Ooh, these guys are harmonizing.
So check me out. I got the cow pants on. I'm in downtown Chicago.
Not the pair. He's sad. Where are you gonna get another pair at this hour, right?
Excuse me. Hi, yes. I would like some extra whipped cream. I clearly didn't get that here.
I already filled it up to the top for you.
No, but can I please get more because it's clearly not at the top.
Yeah, sure.
That's what I would do.
When she asks you to put a cat door in the corner. So you make one.
Yeah, that's probably.
Well, fuck.
Mm-hmm. I was expecting that.
I tried to make a Captain America shield for fun,
Wait, we already saw this.
just to look like fucking Captain Mexico holding a tortilla.
Again with this guy.
Yes, sir. Officer, you know I pulled you over today? I'm sorry.
Name a country beginning with V. Venezuela. I said Finland. Huh?
Finland.
Finland.
Oh my days! Allow it! Don't chat to me. You said what? Finland. You
Finland.
Are some jolting. It's an F, blood.
Listen, I want to know where
What'd you
Finland is. V.
Yeah.
Venus.
Guys, we have to stop with the stereotype that lesbians are mean.
I'm sorry, mentally. I'm sorry.
Sama!
Are you fucking filming me? What the fuck?
My brother didn't
The
take
irony.
the loss at
Bitch, this bitch gonna come slice my ties. This people in that bitch can't even spell liar right. L-A-I-R.
Lair.
Fucking say lair. You stupid hoe. You dumb head hoe. You dumb head bitch. I love you. That's crazy, fool. It's fucking madness, cuz. Lair. Who taught you that, your daddy? Dumbass bitch.
That's what you do,
I
right?
ran the streets since I was young. Streets killed me.
Oh, Jesus Christ, this is so unsafe. Oh my god.
Are you boiling a wiener? Why are you putting it in a burned butt? Stop. Just stop, please.
You are Town. You are the scientific name for pig, and you are the 25th largest Greek island. Okay.
Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Twitch. I would love to see you there. And until then, stay awesome.